Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Gulab Jamun. Let's start with the syrup. In a pot, add in 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of water, a couple of strands of saffron. A little bit goes a long way with this one. And about 4 cardamom pods that have been crushed. Now let this boil for about 7 minutes until it gets sticky. Once it's boiled, just put a lid on the pot and set it aside. Now let's do the Gulab Jamun itself. I have half a cup of milk powder, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and about 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. So mix the dry ingredients together and add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now for this part, you just want to mix all of these together and make sure that it becomes like a crumb-like consistency. Okay, now that it's getting like this, just add in some milk. So I have a 1/4 cup of milk and we're just going to add this in little by little. So I had a little bit of an issue with the dough. That was my fault. So add in about 2 tablespoons of milk instead. My dough got really sticky, so I had to add in a little bit more milk powder. But we got it to work and we're back to the recipe. So let's cover this up and let it rest for about 30 minutes. So now I'm making little rounds with this dough. As you can see here, I am using just a 1 tablespoon of like a utensil, shaping up this little ball. It's just so that I have every little ball about the same size. And now just roll it around your both palms of your hands to make the round shape. So welcome to my workstation. I have my little round doughs. I have oil heating up in a pot and I have my simple syrup on the side there. So for the oil, we are just heating up a little bit. So put it on low to medium and then just add in the balls and let it cook slowly. Let it cook slowly in the oil, and you want it to be golden brown, and you're gonna see that it will puff up a little bit more. So now that it's cooked fully here, we just want to remove it from the oil and place it in the warm syrup. And now you want to let your Gulab Jamun just sit in the syrup for about 3 hours and then it's ready to eat. After letting it sit in the syrup for about 2 to 3 hours, it did get a little bit bigger. So this is it. This is my recipe of the Gulab Jamun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for my newest videos.